Hello, children. Welcome to the second chapter of your reader, and the chapter is Our True Friend. Come on, see the book, all of you. In the olden days, near the city of Benares, there was a huge forest. So, it is a story of a Benares, of a city of a Benares, where there were huge forest. It was full of trees of all kinds. So the forest was full of trees of all kinds. One day a saint walked through the forest. One day through the forest a saint walked there. He admired the trees, tall trees, the fresh green leaves, and the colorful flowers. So, the saint admired means the saint was very happy to see the tall trees, the fresh green leaves, and the colorful flowers of the forest. Never had he seen such beauty. So he had never seen such a beauty in the forest or in his real life. As he walked, the saint came upon a tree that was withered and brown and rotting. So when he was walking through the forest further, he came along a tree that was withered. Withered means that was dried and brown. So while the trees are dried, beta, it becomes brown. Okay? And rotting. Rotting means to decay, सड़ जाना. He stopped in surprise. He was very surprised to see that tree because he had admired before the beauty of the forest. Now he was surprised to see the withered tree. Surely no bird or insect could live in this drying tree. And he was very excited. Why? Excited to see that no birds or insect could live in this drying tree. He was very much astonished. Okay. But no, there was a thin, sickly looking parrot sitting on a branch. So, what did he see further? There was no insect or no creature, but there was a sickly looking, means a thin looking parrot sitting on a branch of the withered tree. Why are you sitting here, you foolish bird? So, the saint asked a question to the parrot that why he is sitting there. Aren't there enough living and fruitful trees around? So he also asked the parrot that couldn't he see all the fruitful trees and enough living around? Why do you sit on a withered tree? So he was very much astonished to see that the parrot was sitting on a withered tree. The parrot bowed its head. Then he replied, "O Holy One, I'll tell you our story." So, when the saint asked the question to the parrot bowed his head and told that he will tell their story. Let us see what is the story. Once this tree was tall and strong. So, once this tree was very tall and strong. It was more beautiful than all the trees in the forest. So the parrot continued telling that it was most beautiful than all the trees in the forest. I was born under its leaves. So parrot also told that he was born under the leaves of the tree. I learned to fly from its branches. So when the parrot was growing, he also learned to fly from its branches. From my earliest days, I found shelter and friendship in this tree. So while in the earlier trees, the parrot is telling that he found a shelter and a true friend in this tree. But one day a hunter shot a poisoned arrow that struck its bark. One day in the forest, a hunter came and shot a poisoned arrow that struck its bark. Poisoned मतलब जहरीला, जहर लगा हुआ, ठीक है. As a result, it began to wither and dry. So, what was the result? When the arrow struck it, it became withered and dry. वो धीरे धीरे सूखने लग गया और मुरझाने लग गया पेड़. The saint again asked, "What happened to the other birds and creatures who lived here?" asked the saint. So the saint again asked the question that what happened to the other birds and creatures of this tree who lived here. They all left one by one, said the parrot. What did the parrot reply? That they left one by one. Why didn't you leave too? Asked the saint. So the saint thought and again asked the question that why didn't the parrot leave the tree? What did the parrot say? See, how could I leave my friend in trouble? Replied the bird. So the parrot replied that the tree is his true friend. He learned to fly from these branches. His earliest days were spent in the tree only. So how can he leave his friend in trouble? Who was in trouble? The tree was in trouble because it was withered and dry due to the poisoning of arrow that struck its bark. Then the saint said, if you only where people were as true to their friends. What did the saint say? The saint said, if only people were as true to their friends. So the saint said, काश कि ऐसा लोगों में भी ये सोच होती कि अपने दोस्तों के प्रति वो भी वफादार होते. I will reward your goodness by giving you any wish you may ask. So he also told to the parrot that he will reward his goodness by giving him any wish he may ask. So the saint was very happy seeing the real friendship of the parrot and the withered tree. So he said that for his goodness he will reward the parrot.